Look at this. We are asked to find theta. Okay? Don't panic. This means that this line and this line are equal. That is the first thing. This means 90 degree, a right angle triangle. This side is given to us. We don't know any of these sides. All we have to do first is to first of all find this, because this is given, this is given. So let's call this one x as per not given. You will agree with me, this simply means opposite and adjacent to this angle. That is what? Tan. So we can say tan 32 is equals to s over 6. Then if you cross multiply, s equals to 6 multiplied by tan 32. Let me use calculator to finish this. This is what? 3.75 centimeter, because this is centimeter. So if this place is 3.75 cm, this too is also x, 3.75 cm. That is the meaning. Because this and this are equal. That is the meaning of this. So now, we can find the entire length of this. Let's call it y. So y is equals to s plus s. That is 2 multiplied by 3.75. You agree with me? If you multiply this, you're going to have 7.5 in cm. So this is 7.5 in cm. So everything here, that is this. 7.5. So what we're going to do now is, we're going to redraw this. Let's redraw everything. That is, let's say this is everything. So I'm going to call this entire angle, I'm going to call it, say, alpha. Okay? Or I can call it, let's call it P. Okay? We know this entire line as 7.5. We know this as 6. So we are looking for P now. I want to get P. Once I have the value of P, I will subtract 82 from it to have theta. Let's do that. This is opposite to this angle. This is adjacent to this angle. That is what? Tan. It means tan P is equals to 7.5 all over 6. Okay? Which is P equals to the inverse of tan 7.5 over 6. Let's use calculator for that. 51.34. 51.34 in degree. Now that I have this, I can come back to this place now, because this simply means theta plus 32 is equals to, what was that? 51.34. 51.34. Okay? Now I can find theta, 51.34 minus 32. When you work this out now, you're going to have 90.3. So this is the answer we are looking for theta. All this understood. Thank you for viewing.